Okay, students, churning was done yesterday, na? Today we are going to start if the mixture type is liquid in liquid, right? If there is liquid mixed in liquid. Students, if we dissolve liquid in liquid, two cases may arise. Again, either it will get dissolved or it will not get dissolved. If it dissolves, then it is miscible. If it does not get dissolved, it is immiscible. Right? Okay? So students, if two liquids are miscible, then to separate them out, we have to use a method of distillation. What do we have to use? We have to use distillation, and if the liquids are immiscible, we have to use decantation. Decantation. Right? Now, what is distillation? आपने फिफ्थ में करी हुई है. What is distillation? It involves two principles, that is evaporation and condensation. Two principles are involved, right? जब solid and liquid था, soluble substances थे, तो हमने सिर्फ evaporation करी थी. But in case of evaporation, हमारा जो liquid था, water था, वो सारा air में lost हो जाता था, right? In this case, in distillation, हम evaporation तो करेंगे, but उसको air में lost नहीं होने देंगे, right? हम साथ में ही उसकी कंडेंसेशन कर लेंगे. कंडेंसेशन करेंगे तो इट विल बी अगेन रिवाइव्ड बैक. सो क्या है डिस्टिलेशन? इफ यू रिमेंबर, मैं आपको थोड़ा सा बना के दिखा देती हूं, अगर आपको याद हो होता क्या है. इस तरह की हमने कुछ राउंड बॉटम फ्लास्क ली थी. Remember? याद आया कुछ? हाँ, सारा कुछ एक टेबल पे पड़ा हुआ. रिमेंबर? याद आया? कुछ इस तरह का किया था हमने. नहीं आ रहा, चलिए ये देखिए इस तरह का था कुछ, आया याद? क्या करते हैं हम, यहाँ पे लिक्विड्स डालते हैं, 2 लिक्विड्स विच आर मिसिबल, मिसिबल मीन्स आपस में डिसॉल्व हैं, राइट? सो हमने एक चीज का ध्यान रखना है, द लिक्विड्स विच वी आर गेटिंग मिक्स्ड दे शुड हैव डिफरेंट बॉइलिंग पॉइंट्स, इनके जो बॉइलिंग पॉइंट्स हैं वो अलग अलग होने चाहिए, one should have low boiling point and the other should have high boiling point, right? Is that clear? So उससे क्या होगा, the liquid which has low boiling point it will start boiling earlier, जब ये boil होगा तो इसके वेपर्स ये ऊपर जाएंगे, बट हियर वी हैव मेड अ केप्ट अ कॉक, जिससे हम वेपर्स बाहर नहीं जाने देंगे, यहां से वो ये डिलीवरी ट्यूब में जाएंगे, इसके बाहर हमने ये कंडेंसर रखा हुआ है जिसको ये ठंडे पानी की सप्लाई हो रही है, ऑन एंटरिंग हेयर क्योंकि ये ठंडा है दे विल कंडेंस, पहले इधर क्या हुई इवेपोरेशन, जैसे ये इधर पहुंचा इधर क्या हुई कंडेंसेशन, राइट? अब वो लिक्विड जो पहले वेपर बन गया था अब वो ठंडा होके यहां पे कलेक्ट हो जाएगा, राइट? दूसरा अभी बॉयल नहीं हुआ, वो यहीं पे पड़ा है, जब ये सारा बॉयल हो जाएगा we will stop the burner and 2 liquids will be separated, this is distillation, is that clear? Is that clear? समझ में आया बेटा? ओके, नेक्स्ट आ गया immiscible, if the liquids are immiscible, method used is decantation, but method uses decantation, but the device used to separate immiscible liquids is separating funnel. Which device is used? ये है separating funnel, right? So क्या है इसमें? We add 2 immiscible liquids, right? ये देखो, we add 2 immiscible liquids, say oil and water. The liquid which is lighter, जो हल्का है, it will float on the top, oil, water will settle at the bottom. When settlement takes place, we will open the stopcock. From here, the water will start passing, coming out, and it will be collected here. जहां पे water सारा इधर आ जाएगा, उधर से stopcock बंद कर देना, ऊपर ऑयल रह जाएगा, राइट? हाँ जी गौरीश।
यस मैम, सेपरेटिंग फनल का मैम जो नीचे वाला पार्ट है मैम वो दिख नहीं रहा, थोड़ा सा वेब का।
ठीक है जी, इज दैट क्लियर? इसके बाद हमारा एक छोटा सा टॉपिक रहता है सॉल्युबिलिटी। व्हाट इज सॉल्युबिलिटी? solubility is the amount of solute that gets dissolved in solvent. Means कितना solute solvent dissolve कर सकता है, that is the solubility of that solvent. Got it? Is that clear? कितना amount of solute एक solvent dissolve कर सकता है, that is known as solubility. अब इन दोनों चीजों को मिक्स करके हमारे पास आता है सॉल्यूशन. किन दो चीजों को मिक्स करते हैं हम? सॉल्यूट प्लस सॉल्वेंट. सॉल्यूट क्या है? सॉलिड. सॉल्वेंट क्या है? लिक्विड. गॉट इट? Is that clear? What is solute? A solid component that is dissolved in the solvent. What is solvent? A liquid in which solute is dissolved. Right? Clear? अब एक टर्म आती है सैचुरेटेड सॉल्यूशन. A solution in which no more solute can be added. A solution in which no more solute can be added. Right? That is known as saturated solution. अब solubility को हम increase और decrease कर सकते हैं. On heating, the solubility increases, and on cooling, the solubility decreases. Right? हो गया ये? With this we have finished the chapter. कौन सा चैप्टर स्टार्ट करना है अब? हरी आप बताइए. फन विद मैग्नेट स्टार्ट कर ले एक बार. फन विद मैग्नेट्स. लेट अस स्टार्ट. करें स्टार्ट. हाँ जी बच्चे. व्हाट इज अ मैग्नेट? व्हाट इज अ मैग्नेट? A special kind of material which attracts other special type of materials like iron, cobalt, nickel towards itself. Right? Clear? हाँ जी बच्चे, समझ आ रहा है जो इधर ऑनलाइन बैठे हुए हैं? ऑनलाइन, आर यू गेटिंग मी? ओके, चलिए. सो हाउ magnets were discovered? Can anybody tell? How magnets were discovered? Hanji Gaurish?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And there was a shepherd. His name was Magnus. He lived in ancient Greece. He used to take her sheep and goes to a nearby mountain for grazing. He usually take a stick with an iron sole. One day he kept his stick on a rock, and after some time, when he tried to pull the stick, he couldn't pull the stick because the stick was being attracted by the rock. He talked to some other people, and other people came to know about this special type of rock,
And they named it as
magnetite.
मैग्नेटाइट. ये भी बोलना जरूरी है.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? हम्म.
Okay, ma'am.
और कोई बताना चाहेगा इसको? सव्या?
Yes, ma'am. There was a shepherd named Magnus who lived in an
क्या बोला
ancient
शेफर्ड? उसका क्या नाम था?
Magnus.
मैग्नेट. राइट.
He lived in ancient Greece.
कहाँ
He
रहता
used to
था?
take his
एंशियंट.
ancient Greece.
राइट.
He used to take his herd of sheep and goats to the nearby mountains for grazing. He took a stick to control his herd. One day, he gone somewhere with lifting his stick, and after some time, when he went there and tried to pull that stick, and the stick doesn't, and the stick was attracted to the rock. From that day, the magnet was discovered, and it named magnetite.
And these natural magnets were named as
Magnetite.
right? So बच्चे, after the discovery of magnetites, artificial magnets were also discovered. So there are two types of magnets: natural magnets, artificial magnets. Right? Natural magnets क्या है? That occur naturally. That are found in rocks, planets, sun, birds maybe, fish maybe. Right? What are artificial magnets? That are prepared by man. They are much stronger than natural magnets. They are permanent magnets. While natural magnets, they are weak and temporary magnets. Right? So different shapes of artificial magnets were made. कौन सी? Bar magnet, then cylindrical magnet, then horseshoe. This is horseshoe. Then ball-ended magnet, like this. Okay? Yes, Ruhani?
Ma'am, I want to tell you about the discovery of magnet.
That has been covered now. Now, who will tell what are magnetic and non-magnetic materials? What are magnetic and non-magnetic materials? Yes, Ruhani?
Ma'am, first of all, I want to tell magnetic substances. The substances that are attracted by the magnet are called magnetic substances. The substances that are not attracted by a magnet are called non-magnetic substances.
Any definition will be incomplete until and unless you don't give any example. Right? So this time I am talking to Janvi. Janvi will explain it.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the materials which get attracted towards a magnet are called magnetic materials. For example, iron, nickel, or cobalt. The materials which are not attracted towards a magnet are called non-magnetic.
एग्जाम्पल जानवी,
मैम मैम टेबल,
टेबल, वुड, मटेरियल बताओ,
वुड,
वुड,
मैम
ग्लास, पेपर,
पेपर,
प्लास्टिक, राइट? ओके, दृष्टि, explain again properly.
Magnets that get attracted to
Wrong.
materials that get attracted towards the magnet are called magnetic materials. For example, iron, nickel, cobalt. Materials that do not get attracted towards the magnet are called non-magnetic material. For example, paper, book, wood, etc.
Right, very right, Drishti. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, कुछ बच्चे लिखते हैं मैग्नेट्स दैट अट्रैक्ट अदर मटेरियल्स दैट आर मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल्स. दिस इज रॉन्ग, राइट? जो मटेरियल्स मैग्नेट की तरफ अट्रैक्ट हो रहे हैं दे आर मैग्नेटिक. जिसको मैग्नेट अट्रैक्ट कर रहा है वो मैग्नेटिक मटेरियल नहीं है, जैसे दृष्टि ने गलत स्टार्टिंग करी थी. ओके, is that clear? Now coming to properties of magnet. चलो अब प्रॉपर्टीज कल करेंगे. आज मुझे बताओ, हाउ विल यू मेक अ टेम्पररी मैग्नेट एट होम. ये छोटा सा टॉपिक कर लेते हैं. हाउ विल यू मेक टेम्पररी मैग्नेट एट होम? कैसे बनाओगे टेम्पररी मैग्नेट? Who will tell? How will you make temporary magnet at home? बताइए फटाफट. किसी को नहीं आता? बारिश तेरा हाथ मुझे उधर खड़ा दिखाई दे रहा है. आई वांट के बाकी बच्चे भी आगे आए. हाँ जी. नो वन नोज हाउ टू मेक अ टेम्पररी मैग्नेट? जस्मीन कौर.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, by single touch method, take an iron strip and a bar magnet on the one side of it, and by rubbing on the side.
जस्मीन गलत है. दिस इज नॉट द वे. आपने बताया ही नहीं करना क्या है. हाँ जी, और कोई? अर्शिया.
Yes, ma'am. To make a temporary magnet, the method used is known as single touch method. In this, to perform this method, we will need an iron bar and a bar magnet. Take the iron bar and start rubbing it from one side of the bar magnet to the other without lifting it. Now, when you reach the other end of the magnet, lift the iron bar and again rub it against its poles. Do this process about 30 to 40 times, and to check if the iron has turned into a magnet or not, bring some iron fillings towards it. If the iron fillings get attracted, that means the iron bar has turned into a temporary magnet.
Right. Anyone else? और कोई? अनमोल का हाथ ऊपर था. No, he has left. और कोई बच्चा? हाँ जी, कार्तिक.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 1 second.
अच्छा, अभी बुक खोलनी है.
नो मैम, बुक नहीं खोल रहा मैम. एक्चुअली मेरा उधर आईपैड मैम, उधर दूसरी साइड में. 1 सेकंड, वहां से कनेक्ट कर रहा हूँ.
कोई बात नहीं. चलिए, तब तक हम किसी और बच्चे से पूछते हैं. IPSA. No response. Okay, students, we will be meeting tomorrow now, completing the properties of magnet. Right? Thank you.